I'm Clementine Blue, and I've been invited by Sam, thank you Sam, and this museum is not obsolete, to just try out a lot of awesome things that I don't have a clue how it works. So Sam showed me roughly how to do stuff with this modular synth that you get in a magazine. Yeah, I've been just like doing sound research with plants as well. There was this like little module, Cyan, where you can connect some like sensitive cables, like little clips to a plant leaf, and then the electricity generated by the plant creates like variation in the signal. So I learned a little bit more about what to do with all these patches, basically, like how to transport one signal from one place to another and how to have sound on the other end. And I've been doing a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff, but a little bit of experiments with this talkbook tape recorder that was recommended by Heinbach. Good
yes.
to have you back. So yeah, I've been like just recording this synth out of the speaker, see how it sounds. Pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
And also recorded the omnichord directly into it with the mic in.
So what have you got going on here?
So with the help of Sam, I got one patch kind of going and then replicated this patch for a different oscillator to have like from another like control output from my KeyStep Pro. So I've got two melodies kind of going on. I've got like a simple one that is more like bass notes, like simple notes that is going through that amazing pedal. Which one is it? No. It's that. And it does all these kind of like crazy like granulation kind of thing. And with this as like kind of a bed, I've got a sequence on top of that. That has more like higher notes, and that's also going through delay. Yeah, just turn up everything.